Hey, what's up guys? This is Frank with JD Muscle. Today we're installing the HKS High Power Muffler Spec-L2 ZD8 for the 22 Plus GR86 and Subaru BRZ. Let's get into it. Alright guys, the installation for this is so simple that we don't even need to make an installation video. So enjoy this really short video with a lot of cool details and sounds, and just watch us having fun.
It's actually very subtle, but you're not gonna get that loud drone. So when we're gonna hold it around 4,000 RPM, like just about here, this is kind of highway. So you're cruising on the highway, it's pretty quiet. You're gonna get that nice little subtle deep tone, a nice gentle vibration on your butt. Not droning at all. So when you're in the highway blasting your music, it's not going to overwhelm you. So as far as a exhaust goes, I think this is a solid choice. It's a great catback, and honestly, HKS, known for performance, known for having a really good racing pedigree. And honestly, if you buy this, you're set. Sounds pretty good. Yeah, I like it. Cool. All right, Alex, you installed it. What do you think?
It sounds good. It was an easy install, and actually, it's a lot less. There's a lot less weight on this HKS than there is on the stock exhaust. So there's weight savings, it sounds awesome, and it performs great.
And as always, the product link is in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was super fun. Thank you, Rahan, for letting us install this in your car. And as always, like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.
Is this the new electric BRZ? It's very quiet. Woo.